sculpture on it. This island is made up from the roots of this beautiful cypress tree. And the black metal sculpture is called Father Massenet's Table, put on the island in 1991 in remembrance of the Mass Father Massenet did on the river in 1691. We call this Marriage Island. Many weddings are performed on this island every year. Right above us here is the Nevada Street Bridge. It goes right over the Old Mill River boat rides. My wife and I have been eating at this restaurant for a little over 36 years. My wife and I, we've been married for a little over 36 years. Well, I've lived in San Antonio a little over 36 years. And I'm just a little over 36. That's what I'm talking about. On the front right side of the boat here with the Longhorn cattle is the Briscoe Western Museum. Iron to the front left side of the boat, behind the sky says Hilton Palacio del Rio. Back in 1968, this hotel, you can get up the tower, but you can walk all the way around the observation deck. You can get up the tower one of two ways, either by one of the 3 exterior glass elevators, which I'll be taking, thank you very much. Or you bring a person of choice if you'd like. It takes the stairwell of only 954 steps. Yep, I started up those stairs today. You can come back for me next March. Stained glass windows imported from Munich, Germany. They're no longer available. The glass manufacturer was destroyed during World War II. Also in the church are some beautiful paintings by the third pastor of the church, Father Henry Peppercorn. And if you're interested in a circus museum, now remodeled right at street level, you'll see an orange metal sculpture. This is called the Friendship Torch, donated to the city of San Antonio on behalf of the Mexican government, symbolizing the relationship to San Antonio and Mexico of the San Antonio River. The San Antonio River is a natural river, not man-made. The river walk is built around the natural flow of the San Antonio River. It was actually built in 1968. Today, the Casino Club here on my right-hand side. The bottom 2 floors house restaurants and shops. The top 4 floors are apartments, and you're more than welcome to rent one if you don't mind being on a 6-year waiting list. This part of the river here is called River Square, renovated in 1972. Here we have a variety of restaurants that offer inside and riverside dining. And if you'd like to have dinner on one of our boats, you can go to the website on your ticket stub or ask at any one of our ticket windows. Hey, all along the river here we have lots of ducks. Lots and lots of ducks. They're here year-round and they eat lots and lots of food. Oh, but that's okay, folks. Everything they eat, we put it on their bill. And my wife, too, is waiting for me to grow up. But if I do, I get old.